What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I hate cooking, but you gotta eat. So standing here in the kitchen because you know that I subscribe to freshly.com to get prepared meals delivered to my house. They come once a week. All I have to do is nuke them and I'm ready to eat. But I did a video about it. You can check out that overview. It was kind of in depth about how it works, but it's really inexpensive. So it's a really great value, I think, and it's super convenient. But one thing that people have been asking are the meals really any good? So I thought we would take a closer look at a handful of the meals that I got delivered here. And this one is Korean style shrimp, just fresh out of the microwave. And this is what it looks like here. So we have shrimp, looks like rice and some beans and some pea pods. Kind of interested if it's spicy, like a lot of Korean food. Not overly spicy. Definitely tasty. It's like a really moist stir fry with little shrimp in here too. So that's really good. That one goes back on the order list. It's rustic chicken and polenta. Just took it out of the microwave. You can see it here. We got chicken, and I'm not sure what it's braised with here, but all smells good. Little spice, almost kind of like a curry type of flavoring on it or sauce on it. And obviously, variety of carrots and some veggies there, and then a polenta patty. I'm gonna cover in this gravy too. Let's try this. That's good too. Kind of like a cornmeal patty. It's definitely soft, not gritty at all like grits, but really tasty. Kind of a potato pancake type of texture. Another winner. And let's try this teriyaki salmon cakes. You can see here we've got green beans. That looks pretty healthy. And then we have, I guess it is rice. Kind of a brownish rice. And then here are the salmon cakes. You can smell the teriyaki, and you can see here, kind of just like a crab cake. That's good. I like salmon. It's got a little spice to it. Definitely a little flavor. And the beans are good too. Pretty good. Check it out. All right, got the buffalo chicken made here. And this one's actually a pretty common order for me. I picked this up. It's just really a cooked chicken breast and doused in buffalo sauce. And I get this one a lot because, man, I just love buffalo sauce. Kind of that tangy, sweet. I love it. Now, when I first looked at this dish, I tried the mashed potatoes here with cheese and a little bacon, and I really loved them. It wasn't until later that I discovered this is not mashed potatoes. It is actually mashed or pureed cauliflower. So, which makes sense because it has a little bit lighter, less dense feel than mashed potatoes, but nonetheless is pretty good. So I'm pretty impressed with that. I don't know what they do to it. Spice it up a little bit. Looks like maybe there's some chives or something in there. I don't know, but it's pretty good. I get this one a lot. Buffalo chicken. And another one. This one's sausage and peppers with cauliflower. You can see it right there. Smells delicious. Smells like spaghetti bolognese. First of all, this sausage is tremendous, but absolutely delicious. It's kind of spicy, in fact. And then if we look at the cauliflower down here, it looks like that. It's like all diced up. And you can see we have onions, some pretty heavy onions, some green peppers, looks like red peppers, cauliflower. Delicious. Another winner. This has kind of a little bit of a crunch to it. A little firm and spicy. The whole thing has a little bit of spice to it. But the sausage is, oh man, the sausage is my favorite. As a meat guy that has had a lot of sausage, even this is really, really good. Check it out, sausage and peppers with cauliflower. And here is chicken and butternut risotto. Now, I will say here it came with a full chicken breast, so I've gone ahead and cut it up to make it a little easier to eat. Let's check out this risotto. It smells great. Wow. This risotto is awesome. You can see that right in there. That is absolutely awesome. And then in terms of the chicken, I wanted to get just a little bite here. Soft, tender. I mean, I'll tell you what, this is awesome. Definitely, it kind of has like, the risotto has a little bit of like a chicken soup type taste. Fantastic. If you like chicken soup, chicken, just kind of a home cooked comfort food meal, I think this is the one that you want. This is great. Chicken and butternut risotto. All right, and then the last one in my set here is the balsamic glazed turkey. Vitamins A and C are the real MVPs in this meal. Hey, look here. What we got is the turkey and some mushrooms. Now, I actually hate mushrooms. I don't mind a little mushroom flavor on things, but I'm not going to eat them. I would eat around them, but I would eat with the mushroom sauce. So here's the turkey, as you can see. Kind of a big slice of turkey. Oh, I love it. Reminds me of like Thanksgiving dinner. And then we have the old veggies over here. Looks like potatoes, sweet potatoes. And looks like regular potatoes too. You really taste that sweet potato. Another winner. Really very, very good. Listen, I'm going to tell you what. If you love, coming home, being able to pop in a good, fresh, healthy meal directly into your microwave and have a meal in just a couple minutes without prepping food, without shopping for groceries, and very minimal cleanup, I think the Freshly service is for you. You can get these delivered. Mine come on Thursday each week, and it's just super easy, super convenient for a lot of people who are really, really busy. Now, if you follow the link in the description below, I think you can get hooked up with a discount, $40 off, which I think is $20 off your first 2 weeks of orders. So $20 off each order. So check out that link for first-time purchasers and get yourself a little deal when you try it out. Peter from Panda, out!